I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I'm making one of the best gumbo in town that is full of flavor. Here are my ingredients. I have shrimp, diced tomatoes, flour, sausage, crab legs, bay leaf, gumbo file, chicken bouillon, Creole seasoning, black pepper, thyme, smoked paprika, unsalted butter, chopped garlic, green onions, green bell pepper, onion, celery, parsley, chicken broth, salt, oil, and I'm using skinless chicken thighs with the bone in. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by preparing our chicken. Mix all your spices together. We're going to sprinkle half of the seasoning on the chicken and give it a good mix. Now go ahead and set your chicken aside. Take your shrimp and sprinkle some of the spices on it. And save the rest of the spice for later. Now give the shrimp a good mix. Now go ahead and set the shrimp aside. Next, we are going to get our vegetables ready. And we are just going to cut these in half and dice them. Dice your green bell pepper, and I'm just going to go in and remove the stem from these parsleys before I chop them. Give your parsley a rough chop. Chop your green onions. Chop your onion. After chopping your vegetables, thinly slice your sausage. In a large pan over medium heat, go ahead and add your oil. Brown chicken on both sides. Go ahead and flip them over. After browning our chicken, go ahead and remove them from the pan. Now add your sausage. So we're going to cook these sausages until they're slightly brown. After they are slightly brown, go ahead and remove them from the pan. So I went over and switched over to this pot instead because I figured I needed something with a lid and my other pan does not have a lid. So I'm going to finish the gumbo in this pot. After cooking your sausage, add your butter. And turn the heat down to medium-low. After the butter has melted, go ahead and go in with your flour. And we are going to make a roux for this gumbo. So we're going to get this flour and butter and oil nice and brown. And guys, when making this roux, do not walk away from it because you need to keep stirring this until it is golden brown. So we're gonna keep stirring for about 10 more minutes. So after 10 minutes, this is how it's looking. It is not the color that I'm looking for, so I'm going to cook this for another 20 minutes. Guys, this is how it's looking after 30 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is add your celery, your onion, your bell pepper, and your garlic. And we're going to continue to cook this for 10 minutes. And don't walk away from this because it will burn. So continue stirring. After 10 minutes, this is how it's looking. Now go in with your bay leaves, your chicken bouillon, and the rest of your spices. Add your diced tomatoes. Add your chicken broth. Go in with your sausage and chicken. and your crab legs. Now give this a good mix. After giving it a good stir, go ahead and cover this for 45 minutes. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. So after 45 minutes, this is how it's looking. Add in your shrimp. And we're going to cook this for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking the shrimp, this is how they're looking. They look really good. So now go in with your parsley and green onions. Now add your gumbo file. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. And if you guys had made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. Hi guys, so my gumbo is ready and my whole house smells absolutely amazing. And how about that taste test? There you go. Oh my gosh. You guys, so delicious. Hands down, best gumbo I've ever made. It's so flavorful. It's packed with flavor. So delicious, so creamy. You guys, this is a must-try dish. Come back, let me know how much you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.